In order to release games in Steam, you must take part in the Steamworks distribution program. It's not done in the Steam website that you search games, it's another website called Steamworks. The first page you see is introduction about what to expect, rules and guidelines, and what you should prepare beforehand. Once you go through this, click the green button at the bottom for continuation. The next step is entering legal name. This can be your name or your company's name. The important thing here is that the name should be the full name as presented in legal documents. If it's a company name, type the full legal name of your company. If it is your name, type it as in your ID card or passport. This name is not going to be shown to your customers. This doesn't have to be user-friendly. It should be legal-friendly. If you enter a company name, provide a company email below. I think it would also help. In this particular step, you must approve the non-disclosure agreement. If you want to publish your games on Steam, you just have to do it. There is no other way. The next step is about the registration fee. The fee is $100 that you can pay with your local currency. And it's not only the registration per se, it also covers the fee of your first submission. Publishing a game in Steam costs $100 per game. So paying $100 here and not when you try to publish your first game makes sense. Because if you are not going to publish a game in Steam, why bother registration here in Steamworks, right? Right. So you gotta pay. Entering payment and tax details is the last step. The bank details you enter in the first section is your own or your company's own account information that Steam can pay you, not the other way around. When people buy your game, where does Steam send the money? This account. Tax information button takes you to some other link from Valve. This is crucial and I don't mean to mislead anyone because circumstances and laws might change, might be different based on your country, company type, individuals and so on. You can get help from any AI tool, but also use best of your own judgment. There are also help pop-ups that are shown when you hover over information icons, or there is a help button in the top right of each step. They are helpful. Once you are done, Steam will ask you to provide some documents. Click on blue Dropbox button and upload the required documents that was described on the screen right now. Once you are done with this, Steam UI will look like you still need to upload some stuff. If you see this screen in the Dropbox link, and if you are sure that you have uploaded everything described, then you are good. You are basically done. Give it a day or two, then you will hopefully be approved and see the screen that says you are now a Steamworks partner. Now you can go your dashboard and verify the email address and the phone number that you have provided earlier. The next step is clicking this green button on the right hand side that says create new app. Good luck. If you think this is something useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm experimenting a little bit with YouTube's algorithm by talking in English for this video. I usually create content in Turkish about making games, but wanted to use my accent broken English for Steam related videos, as I wish my game would be wishlisted by global audience. The game is More Fish. You can find the link in the description and wishlist now. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.